everyone. So as you read in the title down below, I'm going to unbox my Sephora package. Before I start, if you've been watching my videos recently, sorry I haven't been uploading. I just don't know what videos I should film. And if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, and the types of videos I normally film are book related, vlogs, and lifestyle. So yeah, as you read in the title down below, I'm going to unbox my Sephora package. My Sephora package. Okay, and it said that I also get 2 free items, so hopefully it comes, because I read like in online that sometimes people don't get it. Okay, so the stuff that, oh my god. Okay, so this is what's inside. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh wow! I didn't know they'll give me 2 of these. Okay, so I got 2 samples of the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution by Kiehl's. I don't know the brand. So by K Dermatologist Solution. I've received 2. I thought I was only gonna get 1. Nice. And this de jour. It was this little lip kit that I've been wanting to try. Ooh, cute. I like it. It's different because the one I saw online was like, it did have 4 different lipsticks, but the style was different. But it looks nice. I can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, dude. It's open. Okay, so it is not just your face. You can use on other blemish prone areas, include your back and chest. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, so I bought this glycolic acid and it's big. Holy cow. Oh, I really hope no one returned it or something. It's a treatment, yeah. So I read for the glycolic acid, use it at night every other night. You use it every other night. And it's also said that it helps like your pimples too, and it's a toner, by the way. So I've been like breaking out a lot. I've been using so many products too, and like I use their hyaluronic acid, and personally for me it didn't work, and I used The Ordinary's salicylic acid and that didn't work either, but hopefully this product, the glycolic acid works. Okay, so for the second item I got The Ordinary niacinamide zinc, and like I mentioned before, I use their what is it, salicylic acid, and it didn't work for me. Ooh, this is nice. I've been trying to find stuff that work for my cystic acne, and yeah, hopefully this one and this one work. Hopefully the glycolic and the niacinamide work. Fingers crossed, because I've been trying out a lot of products and they haven't worked for me. But yeah, if it does work for me, I'll let you guys know. I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing. If you like these types of videos, hit like so you can let me know. Hit that bell notification to know when I upload, and hit subscribe to get more of my videos. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.